how to use mouse mode in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. You want to load up the game and then press the plus sign here on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now we will go into these settings. Click on settings, and again you want to click on settings. Now right here we will press the R button. You will see audio, communication, game UI, touch and motion, and mouse controls. So right here you will click on mouse controls, and then you want to press A again until you set the mouse mode here. So you have the mouse mode, mouse controls, Joy-Con R2, you have the L, or you can use both. And that is how you turn on the mouse mode on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.